Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens. We're here to do a few deals for the week of the 4th through the 10th of September. Now we got some good deals, but I think the cost or out of pocket is going to be a little bit higher than we are used to, which is to be expected. I am just going to go in there and I'm going to get a few things cheap. Not necessarily spend boosters or, a big transaction and things like that, because I just don't think with what the deals are and what the boosters or what boosters I have would be good at that. You know what I mean? It all just depends on what you have. So that's really all that's going on right now. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box to help plan your trip or to help you out in store. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. Now, the first thing we're grabbing is some Cottonelle, and I am going to be doing this separate from a spend booster scenario. I'm going to be grabbing a few things separately to utilize those $5 store register rewards. So that's what I'm going to be doing with the Cottonelle. Now the Cottonelle is $10, as you can see right here, but it didn't ring up for $10, it rung up for $8. So I'm grabbing two of them and they will equal out to $16. I have a $5 off digital coupon, and then I'm going to be using that $5 store register reward. I have a few of these on hand. That's going to bring my total down to $6. I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta. I'm going to get back 50 cents on each one of these. That's just going to make my total $5 for both of them, and I'm going to pay with $5 in Walgreens cash. That way I'm not paying a lot of money out of pocket and I'm still saving money still. So then next I'm going to grab some Olay body wash. The Olay body wash this week is buy 3, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. They're also on sale for $7 and I'm going to grab 3 of them, so that will cost $21. I have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. I also have a $5 store register reward that we got back in August. This is the last one I have and it does expire today. So that's going to take another $5 off. Now that's going to bring your total down to $11, but then you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying 3 of them, making them $6 for the 3 of them, or $2 a piece, which I think is a great deal. Now, I do need to tell you something. So I had full intentions of using my spend 20, get back $5 on Walgreens cash because I was going to get my total down pretty low, but I just realized now I didn't get my total to $25 and then use the store register reward, and then my total would be at $20. I didn't do that, which is fine. It doesn't matter. You know what I mean? I was still getting these for really cheap. But then the cashier gave me a paper booster that someone left behind. It was for spend 15, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and she scanned it for me. It popped up on my receipt, and I still got back $5 in Walgreens cash. But which booster I got it from, I don't know. So I'm thinking it's that paper one, but with that paper one and using the store register reward, I've never, ever been able to use the both of them together in a transaction. But the $5 come off, and I got $5 from some sort of booster. But I'm not sure which one I got it from. So I do apologize about that, but that was my own mistake. But I still wanted to mention that to you because that's kind of odd. So when I was filming this, I was going to grab $4 worth of items. So I grabbed this toothpaste for $2.99. This toothpaste is $2.99. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, so we will pay $1.49, but we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back $2, making it a 51-cent moneymaker. And in my mind, I thought, oh, I'm at $25, but I was not. So anyways, I got this as well to help lower the out-of-pocket in costs of my Olay body wash. So that is everything that I got with that transaction. So with this transaction, I'm going to use a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash digital booster, and I'm also going to be pairing that with a paper booster of spend 40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash. So I wanted to grab the Clorox wipes. Make sure you grab one that has the tag in front of it that says free Clorox disinfecting spray when you buy one of these wipes. My store had the $6.49 ones left, so we're going to grab that, and we're going to grab this eucalyptus peppermint one. I think that's the only one that's working. No one else is grabbing the other kind, so we're going to get this for free. So the two of these will equal out to $6.49. You're going to submit your receipt to Swagbucks, and you're going to get back $4. So that's going to make both of these just $2.49. So now we're going to grab some Burt's Bees toothpaste. These are on sale for $4.99, and they are the adult ones. My store did not have any of the kids' toothpaste left. There's one more hiding in the back, so I'm able to grab 4 of them. These 4 will equal out to $20.96, because the one there on the far left is not included in the $4.99 ones. That one is actually for $5.99. So these equal out to $20.96. I'm thinking I'm going to get back a $5 register reward when I get the 4 of these. But we are going to use 2 5 off 2 insert coupons from the September P&G for the Burt's Bees toothpaste. That's going to bring my total down to $10.96, but I'm going to get back a $5 register reward. I'm also going to submit my receipt to Ibotta and get back $1.50 for each one of them, or $6 for the 4 of them, making them all free and a 4-cent moneymaker. Next, we're going to get the Playtex Clean Comfort tampons. They are the ones for $9.49. We have a $3 off digital coupon that we can use on these. We're also going to submit our receipt to Ibotta for $2 back. And that's going to make these $4.49, which is kind of high, but with our boosters, it's going to be a great deal. And then I need one more item to get me up over the $40 mark. I saw Jody grab this. This is $7.99. We have a $3 digital coupon, and we also have a $3 Ibotta rebate, making it just $1.99 after all of that. So now we're moving on to the next transaction. I'm just going to be using a store register reward on this. We're going to do this deal where it's buy 4, get back $6 in register rewards, and everything that's included is 2 for $11. So I'm grabbing 2 of these 2-packs of the Febreze Air. I'm grabbing the Linen and Sky scent. They are attaching to this scent in the Walgreens app, so I will take my chances on that. And if not, I'll contact customer service. And then I'm going to grab 2 of these 2-packs of the Bounty double rolls. So then everything will equal out to $22. I don't have any coupons for these Bounties. I have seen people use the insert coupons on the Bounty, but I'm not going to do that. So everything here, like I said, is $22. I'm going to use that store $5 register reward. I'm also going to pair in a couple of $3 register rewards. It's going to bring my total down to $7.70. I'll get back that $6 register reward, making it $1.70 for all 4 items. So that is everything that I am grabbing today. Here is my cart and my bounties underneath of it. I do have this paper booster that I got from my transaction with the Olay. So let's go out to the car and look at all the receipts and talk about the cost of everything. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walgreens, and let me tell you, when I seen that $3.99 off 2 Dawn Power Wash coupon, I really wanted to get it. I have just been going nuts over Dawn Power Wash this last week or so with the coupons and the sales that we're having, but the coupon will not clip. There's another Dawn coupon too for some wipes. Those 2 coupons will not clip. Every other coupon in the world on the Walgreens app will clip, but that Dawn coupon, and it is Tuesday now, and I've been trying every couple hours, but I'm awake anyways, to clip that coupon. So I didn't do the Dawn Power Wash, but I did do that deal, and I did get the double packs of the Febreze. Now, when I was doing this deal, I didn't see the coupon attaching to anything. So what I did is I took 2 of these, and this is the Linen and Sky scent, added them to my cart, and it did show that the $3.30 off of 2 coupon was working on these. So I thought I would give it a shot. And so great news, it came off. So I did that promotion and I'm just happy with how everything went. I don't think there was really any big issues. So I did 4 transactions. 2 of them were using just store register rewards on things. I used the store register reward for the Febreze and Bounty, and then I used the store register reward for the Cottonelle. And those were mainly deals that I wanted to do that I didn't have, that I didn't want to pay a lot of money for. So I still think they worked out to be really great deals. So let's talk about the, of course, that's not the order I have them in. So we'll talk about the Cottonelle first. So I thought the Cottonelle was full price this week. My Cottonelle rang up two at $8 a piece. So they rang up for $16 instead of $20. So I had a 5 off 2 digital coupon. I could show you my receipt right here, but I got a 90% off summer item and then I got a Coke. So the receipt isn't extremely helpful, but you can see here my $5 coupon come off, and then I used a $5 store register reward that come off as well. So then that would bring my total down to $6. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back 50 cents on each one of those, making them 2 for $5. Now I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, and there is an offer on my Fetch Rewards that's tracking when you spend, I think it's $25, you get back 3,500 points, and it tracked the full $16 worth. So I might do that deal again because I do have more store register rewards, and then I will also get back $3.50 from Fetch. So that I just used points to pay for that, and I didn't have any spend boosters or anything like that because I really like Cottonelle and I like to stock up when I can. The other deal I did, and this was just a quick deal as well, I did the Arm & Hammer toothpaste and the Olay body wash. Now the Olay body wash, that you will need to get the same 3 cents, which we've had a lot of Olay sales, so they're getting pretty sparse in the stores that I go to, and you have to get 3 of the same scent in order for your coupons to work. Now, last week I did say that I was going to contact customer service and give them what for. I didn't really do that. I just messaged them on the chat and asked them, how come every single week I have to contact you if my coupons don't come off because I bought 2 different scents of the same product. And the coupon says that I can use these coupons and get the money off. And they told me no, that they're supposed to work that way. They're not supposed to be on just the same scents. And so she escalated the case to higher up people. And maybe, I don't know. But I think if we all do that, then they'll get enough complaints that they'll take a look at it. So anyways, what happened here is I had one of those $5 register rewards from August when you spent $20 on personal care. I had 1 more left. It expired today, but that took $5 off. Then the cashier, she gave me a spend booster and she scanned it, and I said those typically don't work together, and it took it. And as you can see on here, it did take it, but I didn't get the extra $5 in Walgreens cash. For those 2 items, after the store register reward and the $5 Olay coupon and the $1.50 Arm & Hammer coupon, my total was $12.49. I got back $10 in Walgreens cash, $5 for the Olay body wash, and $5 for my paper booster. And then I also got back $2 on Ibotta for the Arm & Hammer, which made the 3 body washes and the Arm & Hammer toothpaste just 49 cents. And I think that's a really good deal. I did use a booster on this, but if you don't want to use the booster and you would rather use Walgreens cash, then you can do that and get these for really cheap. I didn't do that because I need to build up my Walgreens cash again because I really went through it. So for my next transaction, I did the Bounty and then I did the Febreze double packs. Like I said, I got the linen and sky, and I got 2 linen and skies. I did not deviate from that at all because I really wanted that $3.30 Febreze coupon to come off. So here's my receipt on this transaction. I used a $5 store register reward. I used 2 $3 manufacturer register rewards, and then I had that Febreze $3.30 coupon come off. That brought my total down to $7.70. I didn't have a booster on this. Oh, I did have a booster. I already used it on this account, but this was the only account that had that Febreze. So my total was $7.70, and I did get back the $6 register reward for those items. So the 2 Bounty and the 2 Febreze Linen and Skies gave me the $6 register reward. So I think that's important to note that. So anyways, one last transaction. In this transaction, I used a paper spend booster and a digital spend booster. Now, I also wanted to tell you that there is a little bit of a secret, not really a secret deal, because we all know that with the oral care deals, there's a lot of them going on, and they can cross paths and things like that, and we're always finding glitches that way. So this really isn't a glitch. It's just, I didn't know about it. I saw designer Jen do something similar to this, and I wanted to test it out today. So on this receipt, I have the Clorox, the Burt's Bees, the Playtex tampons, and the back Tracin ointment also. So here is my receipt right here. I just had 2 paper coupons for the Burt's Bees toothpaste. I had a digital coupon for the Playtex, and that took my total down to $31.93. I did get back $14.44 in Walgreens cash. I also got back a $5 register reward for the Burt's Bees. Now, if you want to get 4 of the kids' toothpaste, that's great, but I've gone to 3 stores. I cannot find the Burt's Bees kids' toothpaste anywhere. So I got 4 of the adult toothpaste, which is, you know, considerably more expensive. So anyways, I got the 4 of them, and I got back the $5 register reward from P&G items, and so the Burt's Bees toothpaste is a P&G item. Then I got back $11 on Ibotta, $6 for the Burt's Bees toothpaste, $3 for the back Tracin, and then $2 for the Playtex tampons. I also should get back $4 on swag bucks for the Clorox. They only gave me $1, so I had to submit my receipt to, or not submit my receipt, but I had to, you know, put in a ticket for that, because that should have worked. So I have no problem, or I have no doubt that that will come back. So we're going to save $4 from swag bucks. So that transaction was free and a $2.51 moneymaker. And I'm really happy with that, considering what I got. So what was my total for everything? Well, it wasn't the greatest, but I know you guys have expressed to me countless times that you would rather see real deals. And I'm not saying other people are not giving you good, real deals, but you want to see me save money, and you want to save money as well on things that you really will use. And paper towel, air freshener, tampons, Clorox wipes, those are things that I think everybody will use. Most everybody, maybe not the tampons, but you know what I mean. So I'm really happy with everything that I got today. I loaded up on paper products, I got Febreze, and I'm really, really happy with that. So that is really it, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. It's a register reward deal, so of course you can use Walgreens cash on that. I guess I don't really need to say that, but I'm going to say that anyways. And I did this with I didn't get my paper booster for this, because I did not use Walgreens. Oh, I didn't have one. Okay. So then, because with this transaction, I just wanted to do it by itself, use a few points, and use some Walgreens cash and register. Oh. So I got those for